Students, we are now with question number 2 of exercise 1.2. In this sum, we have to represent minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11 and minus 9 upon 11 on a number line. Now, you can see here that the denominators are same. है ना? In all the three rational numbers, denominator are same. This means what? All the three rational numbers can be represented on a same straight line. Okay, मतलब क्योंकि denominator सी in previous sum हमारा denominator first sum में denominator क्या था 4, second sum में denominator क्या था हमारा in our second sum the denominator was what 6 है ना, तो इसीलिए हमने अलग अलग नंबर लाइन से रिप्रेजेंट किया था. now in this case denominators are same. okay, in all the three rational numbers denominators are same. this means what, हम क्या करेंगे, हम यहाँ पे एक ही नंबर लाइन में इनको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. आई होप आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा. सो नाउ सी which number is there in the denominator? 11 is there in the denominator. This means what, we have to make 11 equal divisions. हमें क्या करने पड़ेंगे, 11 equal divisions करने पड़ेंगे. okay, between two whole numbers we have to make 11 equal divisions. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, what will be our answer? since denominator is 11, okay, since denominator is 11, therefore we take 11 equal divisions. Therefore we will take 11 equal divisions. Is that clear? okay, 11 equal divisions. And now see, minus 2, minus 5, minus 9, this means what, जो minus 2 होगा वो 0 से कितने distance दूर होगा, 2 distance दूर होगा. okay, it will be 2 distance far from 0 to the left. minus 5 will be 5 unit distance far from 0 to the left. and minus 9 कितना दूर होगा, 0 से 9 units दूर होगा. okay, to the left. so let us see, because all these are negative numbers है ना, तो हम negative numbers को ही represent कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे हम positive numbers को represent नहीं कर रहे हैं. is that clear to you? now see what I am doing here. मैं यहाँ पे I am drawing a number line. okay, चलिए मैंने ये number line बना ली. is that clear to you? okay, now see, let us suppose that 0 is here. हम suppose करते हैं कि 0 हमारा यहाँ पे है. okay, why I have taken 0 over here? because I have to take 11 divisions है ना, और हमें सिर्फ माइनस नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करना है. so we don't want this part here, so I have not given importance to this right part. is that clear? because we don't have to represent positive number, we have to represent negative numbers. so we will make 11 equal divisions. कितने equal divisions करेंगे, 11. so I am taking again, जैसे previous sum में हमने किया था, each division I am taking as 1 centimeter. okay, so this is your first division, this is your second division. okay, this मैं इसको zoom कर देता हूँ. okay, अब आपको ज़्यादा clear हो जाएगा यहाँ. this will be your third division, this is your fourth division, this is fifth division. okay, this is your sixth division, this will be seventh, this will be eighth, this will be ninth, this will be 10th. okay, this will be your 11th equal division. okay, and finally this is your 12th division. just a minute, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. okay, see we have to make 11 equal divisions. okay, तो हमने 12 equal divisions ले लिए हैं. okay, आप 11 भी ले सकते हैं, you can take 13 also, it is not necessary. okay, 11 से ज़्यादा या 11 भी आप ले सकते हैं, it doesn't matter. now see, because we are going to the left from 0. okay, so यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, this will be minus 1 upon 11. why minus 1 upon 11? that all of this concept I have told in your previous questions. okay, तो ये आप ध्यान में रखना, because there are 11 equal divisions. तो this will be what, minus 1 by 11, this will be what, minus 2 by 11. okay, this is minus 3 by 11, this will be minus 4 by 11, right? this will be minus 5 by 11, this is minus 6 by 11, right? this is minus 7 by 11, this will be minus 8 by 11, this division will be minus 9 by 11, and this will be minus 10 by 11. Okay, and this is minus 11 by 11. So minus 11 by 11 is nothing but minus 1. अब आप खुद देखिए, क्योंकि इफ़ यू डिवाइड माइनस 11 बाई 11 यू विल गेट वॉट 1, माइनस 1. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट वॉट माइनस, हमें क्या क्या रिप्रेजेंट करना है, वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट माइनस 2 बाई 11. सो हमारा माइनस 2 बाई 11 कहाँ आएगा, दिस इज अवर माइनस 2 बाई 11. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? दिस इज अवर minus 2 by 11. Okay, so I have represented minus 2 by 11 here. Now we have to show minus 5 by 11. So this will be our minus 5 by 11. This is our second rational number. Okay, minus 5 by 11. Now we have to represent what? We have to represent minus 9 by 11. So minus 9 by 11 हमारा ये आएगा. This is our minus 9 by 11. This means what? I have represented, okay, I have represented all the three rational numbers on the same number line. Okay, and this finishes your question number 2. I hope आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा. ओके, इफ़ यू अंडरस्टूड द प्रीवियस सम दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सो नो प्रॉब्लम शुड बी देयर इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ओके, सो आई होप आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा. इन नेक्स्ट video we will move on to our next question, that is question number 3 of exercise 1.2. Thank you.